Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and today we're going to have our free app of the week. And it's a great app if you have multiple computers, maybe at work, at home, maybe you're somewhere else and you want to have access to your home computer. Well, there is a Metro or Touch UI version of TeamViewer. So go into your Microsoft Store. In the upper right side of the screen, you can type in the little search box TeamViewer and you'll see TeamViewer Touch. You click here and you click the install. It's a free app and it lets you take control of computers everywhere. So you can have your Windows 8 computer taken control of by another computer, or you can use your own computer and actually have other computers being used in the at a distance with TeamViewer. So once it's installed, you got this nice little app. It's probably installed in your app list, or if you go into your little charms bar and just type TeamViewer, once it's installed, you'll see that TeamViewer Touch is going to show up as an app in your computer. So you just start it up, and here you'll see your computer. So now you see on the right side, I already have one of my computers because this program requires you to create a free account that you'll have to verify with your email address. And once that is done, you can install TeamViewer on all the computers. It's basically made in two parts. You've got the right side of the screen, the blue right side, where you see the computers that you've linked. So all of your computers that have TeamViewer installed and working now have that computer visible. And so the way it works in TeamViewer is that you've got a 9-digit number control and a password. The password changes all of the time. So this lets you actually take control of your computer. Now, one thing about the TeamViewer Touch is that you can control computers at a distance with this app. And so if you have a computer with different Windows machines, you know, like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows Vista, then you of course can connect to the TeamViewer app. You can also click, for example, here I have my PC that's recognized. So all your Windows PCs that are not Windows 8, for example, you install the desktop version. If you want to take control of your Windows 8 machine, you'll have to install the TeamViewer desktop app. This will help you manage quite easily your different computers. So the app can see the computers, the distant computers that you have. So what you do is you click on your TeamViewer computer, for example, and you get control of your machine. I won't do it here because it exposes my 9-digit number, and I don't want to actually show it on YouTube to thousands or hundreds of thousands of people. But basically it's very safe because what happens is you have the 9-digit number, you have a password. So when you install the desktop version, what happens is you'll have a password visible, and it's going to tell you, well, okay, this is the temporary password, and it changes every time you start TeamViewer. So it's a great app to take control of a computer. Now, maybe you have someone telling you, well, I have a problem, or there's something with my computer, or I would like you to see something and to take control of my computer so you can see it. Then that little box that you see here, that's where you'll enter somebody else's TeamViewer number. And once you enter the number, it's going to ask you for that person password. And what's cool with TeamViewer is that since the password changes all the time, it's not like having those programs that control your computer at a distance, but that are always available. So if you want to have someone access your computer, but only once, this app is good for that, because without the password, they cannot actually connect to your computer. And since it changes all the time, it's easy to have this program generate new passwords every time you stop using it. Actually, when you restart, you'll have a new password generated every time somebody wants to connect. So it's very safe for that. I've actually used this program to actually access clients' computers at a distance, and my clients like it a lot because they also like the fact that I cannot take control of their computers like I want. Of course, you need to have a working internet connection. And so if you want to do the reverse, that if you want to have your other Windows machine control your Windows 8 machine, then install the TeamViewer desktop app. It's going to bring you to that download page, and you can download it to your Windows 8 machine and have the desktop version installed at the same time. So you just run it and install it on your computer. You enter your password and your username and password that you created when you when you actually created that account, and then you answer the questions, which is basic installation and personal non-commercial. That's the free one. If you click its company and everything, or to have access remotely unattended, there's also a paid version of TeamViewer that lets you, for example, share files, take a file from your computer, send it to another computer. That's not permitted under the free version of TeamViewer. So if you want to take control of different computers via the web, TeamViewer is a great piece of software. Now there's a touch version, and why not install the desktop at the same time so that it's easy to actually access all your computers everywhere. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to our channel. You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions on what you've seen, let us know. Maybe you have an app or a Windows 8 feature you'd like us to talk about. Why not ask, and we'll put that video online. And hopefully you enjoy our videos, and maybe you have that new Windows 8 machine or planning to buy one. Why not take a look through our videos? You'll be learning how to use Windows 8 to the max. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.